Okay, back to the ball game. Let's go. Third quarter. 3-point lead for De La Salle Zubel. Cruz. Wow, nakalusot si Cruz. Baba na lamang ulit sa isang lamang ng Zubel. Ayan na. Manus. Pass to Zach. Jump shot is good. Grabe, sagutan ng parehong Lasal yan. Bulacan, pass to Cruz. Loki. Pass to Joaquin. Pass to Loki. Loki, top of the key for 3. No good. Rebound by Jaden. Pass to Zach. Zach. Tumira sa 3. Short. Out of bounds. Cruz, pass to Jai. Pass to Cruz, pick. Pass to Jai. To Sanchez. Bulacan, hand off to Cruz. Cruz, drop pass. Joaquin, miss it. Rebound by Manu. Pass to Zach. Back to Manu. Montes, nagmamadali. Running shot. Miss. Rebound by Yao. Yao to Jai. Jai. Ayan na. Good Hesi. Rebound. Yao with a putback and score. Baba na lamang ulit sa isang lamang. Uy. Zach. Montes to Jaden. Lee, drop pass, Joakim, basket. For Joakim Castro. Cruz. Pass to Bulacan, pass to Yao, to Sanchez. Pass to Bulacan and to Cruz, crossover. Drop pass, Yao, and score na naman. Sagutan talaga. Magkabilang panig. Ayan na, si Castro. Jaden. Umatake. Miss. Rebound. Zach. Wala. Rebound by Sanchez. Pass to Cruz. To Sanchez. Sanchez spin. Steal by Montes. Outlet pass. Castro umatake, pumeke at naipasok yun ni Joakim Castro. Ay na, gustong mabawi. Bulacan to Yao. What a steal by Montes. Good. Yao. Bulacan for 3. Miss. Rebound by Yao. Yao using their tight advantage. Munti ka na maagawan. Jai. Floater. Wala. Rebound by Jaden. To Zach. Zach. 4-3, short. Rebound by Sanchez. Sanchez to Cruz. Cruz. Back to Joaquin. Sanchez spin. Using the glass. Uy! Ay na, balik ulit sa isa. Ang lamang ng mga naka-white shirt. Joakim. Pass to Montes. Kinaliwa ni Montes. Balik ulit sa tatlong lamang. Cruz. To Bulacan. Cruz. Top of the key for 3. Miss. Rebound. Nakuha ni Joaquin. Joaquin using the glass. Wala. Rebound. Ay, Jaden. Lee. Ayan na. Jump shot. Short. Rebound by Cruz. Cruz. Crossover. Cruz atake. Nakalusot ba? Miss. Rebound by Manu. Sorry, that's Zach. Outlet pass. Castro na naman. Too strong. Rebound. By Jai. Jai nakalusot. Jai pass to Yao. Yao using their height advantage. Whoa. And that's a traveling violation. Castro, pass to Yao. Oh, sorry, that's Liam. Liam missed it. Rebound by Balahaja. Pass to Cruz. Cruz to Teo. Teo, short. Rebound by Liam. What a pass. Castro miss. Rebound by Centeno. Pass to Cruz. Whoa, steal by Manu. Sidestep. Wala. Rebound. Montes. Kick out to Liam. Liam. Oh. Rebound by Centeno. Pass to Cruz. Cruz. Pass to Bulacan. Bulacan, pass to Sanchez. That's a traveling violation. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Castro gets involved. Castro looking for his teammate. Pass to Zach. Sorry, that's Ram. Melencio running shot. In and out. Rebound by Centeno. Pass to Cruz. Cruz outlet pass. Uy! Oh, it's missed by Teo. Rebound by Sanchez. To Cruz. Top of the key for 3. Miss. Rebound by Lano. Pass to Zach. Tabu staring on the play. Tabu. Ayun na. Running shot. In and out. Rebound by Liam. Liam to Gab. Gab, no. Rebound by Cruz. Cruz, munti ka na magawan. Crossover, naiwanan ang dalawa. Cruz, nagmamadali. Floater, in and out. Rebound. Makuha na Lasal. Cruz, and gets a basket. Balik sa isang lamang ng De La Salle Isabel. Ayan na si Liam. To Castro. Castro, running shot. At nakasagot si Castro naman. Last 1 minute. Nating third. Grabe ang sagutan. Kabilang team. Cruz to Zach. Setting on the screen. Cruz, running shot. No call. With a steal. Centeno. Pass to Joaquin. Miss. Rebound by Cruz. Cruz and score. Good, good, good. Ayan na. Here comes Zach. Ayan na, munti ka na magawan. Liam. Back to Zach. Pass to Ram. Melencio. Binigay. Bulacan with a steal. Castro with a steal. Castro. Nag-aagawan. Makukuha. Liam. Side step na bitawan. 3 seconds to shoot. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by Sanchez. Cruz, nagmamadali. Ayan na, derecho, spin move. Cruz, and score! Ayan na. Grabe. Grabe yun na. Change favor na po. 45-44 ang ating kalaan sa pagtatapos natin third quarter. Okay, change favor. Tingnan natin. Lamang na ang Lasal. Okay, maganda ang ating third game between the Battle of Lasal. Tingnan natin kung makaka-bounce back dito ang De La Salle Zobel. Okay, fourth and last quarter. Sino kaya ang mananalo? Castro to Liam, pass to Zach. Zach to Castro. 4-3, too strong. Jaden Lee with a putback. Change favor. Balik ang kalamangan sa De La Salle Zobel. Loki setting on the screen. Cruz. Crossover. Pass to Jai. Jai 4-3. Miss. Rebound by Jaden. Lee with a no-call. Pass to Zach. Zach outlet pass. Here comes Montes. Wala. Rebound. Manu. We miss. Rebound. Joking with a putback. Balik sa tatlo ang lamang ng De La Salle Zobel. Jai babawi sa tres. At nakabawi na nga si Jai Abonita with a dagger. Ayun na. Montes. Pass to Zach. Tabu. To Liam. Pass to Jaden. Lee. Nabitawan. Lee. Steal by Sanchez. To Jai. Pass to Cruz. Crossover. Cruz sa atake. Wala. Rebound by Jaden. Lee. Pass to Zach. Tabu nagmamadali. Tabu dire-diretso. Floater. Basket. For Zach Tabu. Ayun na si Lee. Jai. Pass to Cruz. Cruz. Bounce pass to Sanchez. Sanchez. Walang tawag. Rebound by Manu. Montes. Naitawid ang bola. Binigay. Joakim sidestep up and under. Wala. Rebound by Sanchez. Not get the foul.
Ano ba? Tawag na rin. Daming foul.
Time remaining 7 minutes and 24 seconds. Bola rito ng Lasal Green Hills. Cruz. Pass to Bulacan. Pass to Cruz. Cruz. Drop pass. Balahaja. Get the foul. Shooting in the line. Jersey number 55. Balahaja. First shot. No good. Second shot, miss. Oopsie. Bola rito ng Lasal Zobel. Sino tatanggap? Bounce pass to Zach. To Montes. Manu, nagmamadali. Manu, matake. Too strong. Rebound. And that's a jump ball. Remaining time, 6 minutes and 42 seconds. Bola rito ng Lasal Green Hills. Ayan ang pressure defense ng Zobel. Cruz, Loki. Pass to Bulacan. To Cruz. Setting on the screen. Cruz. Running shot. Wala. Rebound by Sanchez. Sanchez and gets a foul.
Pwede bang puro kami lang ang may foul? Sa kanila lang may foul. Yes, pwede ba yun? Kami lang ang nagpapapi-foul. Kaya nga eh.
No good. Second shot for Joaquin Sanchez. Let's go. Basket. Babasa isang lamang ng Zobel. 6 minutes and 10. Ayan na. Malapit na tayo sa kalahati. Jaden Lee. Crossover. Nakalusot. Jaden. Side step. Oy! Nakalusot si Jaden Lee. 52-49. Jai Cruz. Jai umatake at nakalusot din si Jai. Mabasa isang lamang. Let's go. Zach. Tabu. Pass to Ram. Tul. Oy! That's yun. Ayan na. Ang Lasal. So, Green Hills, Bulacan. May tanga na bola. Binigay. Sanchez. Pass to Cruz. Cruz setting on the screen. Cruz. Pass to Jai. Tumira sa tres. Wala. Rebound. By Jaden.
Let's go, let's go!
Pass to Zach. Labu. Eugene. Oh, steal by Jai. Outlet pass. Steal by Manu. Pass to Zach. Zach. Number 23, 4-3. Too strong. Out of bounds. Wala, naka-recover. Ay na ang Lasal. Green Hills. Cruz. Umatake. Block. By Gab. Jai. Running shot. No. Rebound. By Zach. Oh, sorry. Kasama. Zach Tabu. Montes to Jaden. Tabu. Pass to Jaden. Lee. Miss. Rebound by Cruz. Cruz. Nagmamadali. Cruz. Atake. Fake. Tumira. Uy. Nakalusot din si Cruz. Ayan na. Isa na lang. Montes. Nagmamadali. Montes. Wala. Rebound by Cruz. Cruz. Pass to Bulacan. Ayun na si Cruz. To Joaquin Sanchez. Side step. Wala. Rebound. Makakuha ni Jaden. Lee. Lee. Atake. Uy. Nandun sa foul. May foul na ang tinawag. Time out. Lasal. Green Hills. Tingnan natin ang hadal dito ng Lasal. Fisher score 54-53. 1 point lead for De La Salle Zobel. Let's go! And shout out kay Aaron Tutor, Cristel Pasco, Aaron Acorda, and kay Albert Picoro. Ayan na, 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Isa lamang ng mga naka-white shirt. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Bola rito ng Zobel. Manu, sidestep, up and under. Nakalusot si Manu Montes. Balik sa tatlong lamang ng De La Salle Zobel. Cruz, pass to Centeno. Centeno, spin. Centeno, atake. Sidestep, no call. Rebound by Centeno. At there's a foul.
Hey guys, get the ball!
Official timeout.
Iyan foul daw.
Wala daw, wala. Out of bounds. Foul ba? Wala daw pong foul. Walang foul. Villegas, Bulacan for 3. In and out. Rebound by Joaquim. Castro nagmamadali. Derecho. Basket for Jake. For Castro. Joaquim. Tamba. Mati ka baka magkamali ng pagbigas. Ayun na. Steal. Manu. Montez. Grabe yun. Na pressure defense ang Lasal Green Hills. Timeout dito ang Lasal. Official score 60-53. Lumobo na naman ulit ang kalamangan ng De La Salle Zobel. With the time remaining 1 minute and 51 seconds. Shoutout po sa ating buting Mayor Francis Zamora and Ma'am Carrie Zamora. Try ko po makahabol mamaya. Okay, back to the ball game. Let's go, Animo Lasal. This is the battle of Lasalian. 1 minute and 51. Let's go. Cruz. Bulacan for 3. Miss. Rebound by Zach. Tabu. Setting on the play. Tabu. Back to Zach. Zach. Tumira sa 3. Walang tawag. Rebound by Sanchez. Pass to Cruz. Loki. To Jai. Back to Cruz, Centeno to Sanchez. Cruz, crossover. Cruz, sidestep. Uy, miss it. Rebound ng Zobel. Zach, ay na, steal by Jai. Pass to Cruz. Cruz, and that's a foul. Isang minuto na lamang po ang natitira sa ating laban. 2 shots for Loki Cruz. Crucial free throw to para sa Lasal Green Hills. First shot, miss. Ayun na, pumapalakpak na po ang ating side ng De La Salle Zobel. Cruz, basket. Time out. De La Salle Zobel. Official score 54-60. Isang minuto na lamang po ang natitira sa ating laban. Tingnan natin kung makakahabol dito ang Lasal Green Hills. At this time, time out ang Zobel. Back to the ball game. Bounce pass, Castro, bitawan. Let's go, last 52 seconds. Ayan na ang pressure defense ng Lasal Zobel. Cruz. Pass to Sanchez, to Jai, top of the key. Gustong tumira sa 3, step back 2. Short, rebound by Montes. It's a foul. Ram looking for his teammate. To Jaden, nabitawan. Naka-recover si Jaden. Lee. Isolation play. Tingnan natin. Lee. Inuubos na lang ang oras. Oy. Ay na, nakalusot si Jaden. Wala. Rebound. Bayaw. Steal. Jaden. Inuubos na lang Montes. And there's a foul by Jai Abonita. Time remaining. Last 5.4 seconds remaining. 60, 54. Grabe. Nauna lang sa pag-rebound. Si Yao. Ay na, bola ng De La Salle Zubel. Oh, foul. Crucial free throw for Jaden Lee. Ay, isa pa. Correction. Jaden Lee. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. What an intense game from both team. Congratulations to De La Salle Zubel and a nice game for La Salle Green Hills. Ayan, grabe yun. Sa ating laban, our final score is 60-54. At ang nag-agree po ang mga nakaputi, ang De La Salle Zubel. Alright, maraming pong salamat sa inyong panonood at nakasurvive ang De La Salle Zubel against La Salle Green Hills. At bounce back din ang ating La Salle Green Hills sa ating paparating na mga laban pa. Okay, and that's a wrap. Magkita-kita po tayo for our next live. Hanggang sa muli. God bless everyone. Ayan. Kung di pa po kayo, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Papakita kita, Coach. Huwag na. Shoutout ko kay Coach. Oh. Wait lang, Coach. Hey, shoutout. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Maraming